This is the package for the cylinder head. So UPS had my package for extra 3 days. So I'm just recording this just to make sure it's not damaged, broken, and yeah, I don't know how I like this. Okay. It's a little foam fill. So let me take this out the box. So cam cap was loose. Okay. These aren't really that bad. I have new ones of those anyway, so enough. Oh, great. That's one. Bolts. Yeah. Okay, so far most of the pieces seem fine, not damaged except for the broken cam gear. Now we're going to start on the actual taking apart of this. Now this is what I don't want to be damaged. I could work with everything else, but I hope this is not damaged. Okay. Look, I got nicked right there. But so far the top looks decent. Doesn't look to be damaged. Alright, there, got hit. So this is the bottom of the head. Like, it was definitely touched during shipping, but nothing that I can't work with. Everything looks to be intact. The surface is good. Right here's a little issue, but that's probably nothing. Yeah, so that's over with. So now I'm happy. Basically, this is a built head. It has I think Ferrer valves, valve springs, upgraded retainers, stock rockers of course, but completely decked surface. So all I gotta do is just slap it on the car. Now I just gotta wait for my block to come in. So this is the new head. That's the old one. So I'm pretty happy. So I just gotta, do my final inspection, make sure everything on this head is fine. And then I could just start reassembly. Came home today to surprise. Package showed up. So I'm pretty happy with this one because the last one that came was damaged the head. As you guys see, I'm still fine with UPS almost a month later. But now I'm gonna open this up, inspect it, making this video just to show if anything is damaged, I have proof, because like I said, I'm still fighting with UPS over the head. And the knife is still in the car, so I gotta use this razor blade and make sure I don't cut myself. Okay. So far I'm liking the package. So this is what came with. So it has to be whole, which I kind of figured. We want to look at these. So I start with some stickers, gotta go through it. So far it looks like it's packaged quite well versus the other one that the UPS dropped, damaged, broke. So, Give me a second, let me struggle and take this out. So there it is. Eventually what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this on an engine lift, most likely this afternoon. So at least I can make sure this is nice and secure. Still a bit dirty, but I can take care of that. Still has to go back out to get redone. So this is the h22A with this cylinder lining. So all I gotta do is just put the head on, and then I have to worry, you know, have one h22 and have to worry about anything else. So now I just gotta put this all together. Send this out. So I have to just send this out to get it taken care of at the machine shop, to where they're gonna bore out the size to where they're gonna bore out the cylinders to the specs that I need. Just did not know it was like this. Whatever. I like how they did this, so it just sits there and it's secured. It doesn't really move. So, pretty happy with this. Gotta clean up. So everything is in. I laid it on the side to make it a little safer during transport. So I'm gonna get the crankshaft, put it inside the car, and start packing up to go.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.